Spin a disc.
What's good, family? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Today, man, we got Prophet Uebert Angel talking to us about money, son. Talking to us about money. Now, he be telling us there ain't no scripture in the Bible which tells us to pray for money, son. Ain't no scripture telling us to pray for money. And nowhere in the Bible does God tell us to pray for money, son. Now, here I was, man, on top of the mountain doing my 21 days of prayer and fasting, hoping God gives me a few thousands in the bank, son. You know what I'm saying? Well, let's hear what the prophet has to say. If you feel some type of way, put it down in the comment section. I'm your boy Bliss, and I'm out.
There is no scripture for you to pray for money. I can look at you now. I'm seeing you just finished one prayer for money. One serious prayer. You are binding and loosing. And I told you before, and I read that scripture on binding and loosing, and I told you it wasn't about binding demons. It's about rules and regulations. That if you agree with this rule and that rule, and you agree on this rule as a team, then whatever rule you bind is bound, not demons. Isn't it amazing how you bind a demon today, next week it's manifesting? If you bound it, well, who loosed it? It has nothing to do with that scripture. Turn to your neighbor, say, neighbor, don't be too spiritually minded. You are earthly useless. Money is an entity that favors the ruthless. Say to your neighbor, neighbor, money in the Bible is not a promise. So it does not respond to your prayers. It is a covenant. So it responds to the deal you do with God. Never. Listen to this. The demon of poverty rejoices the most when it sees a Christian on their knees praying for money. It knows I've already defeated this one. The demon of poverty is more powerful than prayer and fasting combined. How many years have you fasted? You have fasted and nothing is working. Now, as I'm talking to you, nothing. No finances came to you. Because money doesn't respond to that. It doesn't. Money is a spirit. It takes the form of its possessor. You give it to a robber, you buy a crowbar to open doors with. It just goes into the character of the person possessing it. And money knows where to go. Money is not emotional. It will never come to you because you cried. Money is not what? Emotional. It is motional, not emotional. It goes to where it's being moved. I speak to someone here under the influence of my voice. This evening when you get home, your situation would have changed. You would actually feel there is a need to push to higher degrees.